Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach about the Shagger tool in Spring Boot application. So earlier the testing purpose we are using this Postman to check the things, right? Instead of first Postman, we are using the Shagger tool. It is very simple to use the Shagger tool, right? Now let's do the test. So how to do the get the Shagger tool, right? So first what I'm going to do is you have to go to the Google and type this dependency. You have to input the two dependencies must. So type Maven Spring Fox on Google. Here is Shagger 2, Spring Fox Shagger 2. Click on this one. It goes to the respective website for downloading. So here this one should be the version. You have to get the lowest version. This one, right? So you have to copy this dependency. Control C copy. Back to our Spring Boot project. Here I'm going to put this one here. Form.xml. You have to put it. Dependency you have to put it. Right. You have to put it here. Okay. After that, you have to click on this one to update the one. Then only it will be start to update. But that is the only one you have to put it. After that, you have to get this one Spring Boot free box Saga UI. This one also must. Right. So you have to go to Google. Click here. UI. Click on this. To get this one as well. The same version. I'm going to get it. UI. This one. Copied. Paste it over here. Update it. Right. The dependencies update. Right. Okay, done things, right? So okay, it is important. Okay, it's updating. You have to wait until this updated. Okay, otherwise it won't work, right? After update this one, now we have to go to create a new class here. Okay, so to create a new class. So you have to create another package. Click the Java. This is the first app. So click this first app, this package. Right click. You have to create new package. It's a config. Press enter key. Okay, I'm going to create a new class. So to create a class as Saga config. And just you have to type Saga config, right? It's a class. Okay, the class has been created as Saga config. Now here, this all the code I'll provide in my website. You will be able to put it. Okay. So here you have just this code. You have to put the annotation configuration here. This annotation is must for configuration. After that, you have to these two things. This is a class. You have to write this class docker this one. After that you have to put this annotation. This if you have put this annotation, it's work the beans, right? So here this one, click on here, press alt enter key on your keyboard, then only this plugin will be installed. This one also enter. So docker also you just and press enter key. Doc type, now it's only works. Alt and enter key, right? Import the class. Right, this all class are imported, it works, right? Okay, now create the class of Saga. This is the thing you have to do. Out of the application, this is the main class application, uh, application. First application. Here, what I'm going to say, I'm going to add it the annotation. This also must. Spring Boot application here enable this Saga 2. Right. That's the thing we have to do it. Perfect. Right. That's the only thing you have to do. This perfect. Right. Uh, That's the only thing you have to wait. Or let's execute the program and check whether it's working fine or not. Stay any error of and return. Let's run the program again. Right, it's working. There's no error, it is working. Uh, right, you have get this error. What you are going to do is here, the starter, go to the pom.xml. The parent starter, let me change this one. This is starting program. Here we have to, this error is coming from here sometimes. You have to change the version 254. 254. It might be the problem. So if you have to, again, if you run it, sorry, you never updated. That's why sure. After update and run it. Now you can see here it's working. Here starting uh, first application is working. Now it's working, no problem. Now how to run the Stagger? We can't run that directly. You can write the your port. It's must, right? So here what I'm going to do is you have to go here. What's the port you are running at the moment? Go to the application property. You can check the port. This is the port you are running. 8088. So go to the browser. Go to this one. This all things I'll be put it mind by my website. You will be able to write the port. What is the port you are configuring? That port you are in localhost colon this port slash Sagar UI HTML. You write like this and press enter key on your keyboard. You can check it. It's simply load up. Now your Sagar is working perfectly well in your machine. Simply, right? So here you can see here the basic controller, employee controller, test controller. These are the controllers we having. Okay, if you click on this one, you can see the post. This I have a two controllers there inside the employee controller. What is the controllers? We already saw here employee controller. We have two methods. Okay, this one first method is save. Second method is update. It show right now. First one I'm going to save the record. So I'm going to click on this save. Here this one here same thing. Now let's save the record. So you have to write this try out. You have to write the contact number. You just put it here. The address India. Employee name uh, Ramesh. Salary 30,000. NIC number like this. Now here after done the stuff, this is the record I am going to change, save in the database. Click execute. Here Ramesh saved. Now your query is working. The Ramesh saved, the query is working. Now let's go here. Here it's working. Ramesh saved. Your query has been working successfully. Right? The query has been working successfully. Now let's go to the database and check whether it's working fine or not. Yes, your database, right? The table, double click the employee table. The problem is my machine is too slow. That's why it's take some time. Right, it's working. Here, the Ramesh has been saved successfully. The Ramesh, India, salary, NIC, phone number, all things are saved successfully. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.